haymaking season. This is 2024. So this is our 4th time now making hay here in Pembrokeshire. We have got New Holland 68 baler. This is not the one that we used for the last 3 years. This is another one. Dad sold the last one after our last season, so it was time to see what he could do, and this one popped up. So spent the winter servicing it, tidying it up, getting it ready, and we're just setting up now, having a few test runs. Hopefully we can get a few nice bales on the ground. It's already rode up. I've missed that as I was out. So far it's looking nice out here. So what's it meant to be today? 21 degrees, because it feels hotter than that. It feels more like 25. It's hot. Let's see how we get on. We've also got the Ford 7.6 with a trailer and the David Brown with a trailer as well. So about an hour and a half later of playing around like we always do in the this evening now, like we always do before we start baling. A lot of playing around, but bales are looking good. Nice weight. That one's a nice one. That'd be alright. It's only on one side. So far so good. We've just had one broken bale, but we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on the ground. Here comes Child. Hello, Rocky. Comes number 10. We're getting a little bit of, look Mum, look, where they're getting a bit, they're just getting a little bit caught on each other. Rocky? Did you? Why did you run all the way around? Yeah, that one's gone. Take that string out. String. So we're just in the process of figuring out the baler. So this one's interesting, right? See? So the knotting, now these knots are perfectly okay on this one, but every now and again we're getting a couple where they're not okay. Dad seems to think that it might just be the, I don't know, the volume of hay. So when there's a big row of hay coming through, we generally find that it's not enjoying it and it's not knotting properly. I have no idea why. See, that one there is absolutely fine, there's just spare knotting on there. So that one's perfectly fine. And that next one's going to be okay too, because it would have snapped by now, which means the knots are probably okay. So when we get through here, knots okay on that one, knots okay on that one. And it looks like the next one too. So hopefully we might start getting a few bales on the ground. We've just got to be cautious and check every bale just to be sure. And the best way of checking is to look at the knot, even just pulling them as well, just to make sure that knot's secure when you pull it. Got my little helper here. You're cheeky. They're fine. Driving the Blue Beast. Oh, we won't go that way. Dad's just loading a few up. We've got a few little bale issues. But we will hopefully get to sort that out with the knot inside of it. See, I'm just following it up, and Daddy's loading up the trailer. I'm coming. People want loading videos, but it's really hard to record a loading video. So I've got my rev set, so we're just on a low rev. We're in low gear 1, and that way I can just ease off the clutch and edge up the field while that's loading up. So I've got the easy job at the minute, but I was originally going to be jumping out the cab every time. So, and I've got a child over my right shoulder. Through the bales and the crap ones, and just guide myself to where Dad wants to load up. There we go, that'll do for a bit. Right, so I've got the Blue Beast, the Ford 7.6. Dad's loaded a few bales up with me, and now he's buggering off for a drink because he's been out here for however long. So I'm going to load a few up by hand, and I've got my little helper here who's obviously not going to be lifting bales, but she's going to tag along because she's a minion. So I'm just going to load a few of these bales up onto the trailer myself and then keep moving along and round. Yeah. So 1 hour later, and nearly got a bale trailer full. Just going around the field. When I last recorded, I was somewhere up that way. They're back out with the baler, putting more bales on the ground. So as I've come round, there's been an extra line or two added on. Sun's dropping off. We'll probably be out here now for another couple of hours maybe until it goes pitch black.